Today, I am sharing a most requested video. You guys request a lot about permanent and instant hair straightening, which gives instant results like hair smoothing. So today, I will be revealing the secret procedure to straighten your damaged hair without any side effects, and this treatment is 100% effective. You guys asked a lot about how you can do salon-like keratin at home, because you guys want instant results, and salon keratin is really expensive. So, do what you can at home. Today, I am sharing this treatment which you can do to straighten your dry, damaged, curly, and frizzy hair. So for this, I am using the Keratin Treatment Kit, which is available online or even in the market, because you guys want to do this at home. So, I am using a keratin kit, which is formaldehyde-free. Remember to buy the kit which is formaldehyde-free, or which has less formaldehyde, because this chemical causes itching in the eyes, and I do not recommend that for beginners. So, buy a complete kit with keratin protein treatment and clarifying shampoo. Some kits have these two products, while others have conditioner or mask too. So this depends on the price and budget. If you want the best one, then go for the Brazilian keratin kit. You can order that anywhere online. But remember to buy the original products. Always check the product seal before use and check the expiration, etc. So, our first step is to wash our hair with clarifying shampoo. We have to give a nice 15 to 20 minutes for this shampoo procedure, as it's really important. Once the shampoo is done, we have to straight blow dry our hair. Note, if you have super frizzy curly hair, then I suggest you to straighten your hair with an iron before the cream application, or if your hairs are not so frizzy and curly, then just blow dry as is. Now, pour your keratin treatment in a bowl and mix it really well. I suggest you to wear gloves before application. Now we have to divide the hair and do proper ear-to-ear sectioning. This is really important to get the best results. Note, always start the application from the back. Now, start applying the keratin cream directly to your hair, but 1 inch away from the roots. Once the application is done on each strand, then comb it well as you see. And now emulsify it, same as you see in the video. You have to do the same procedure for every single strand. Be patient and apply evenly. This application could take 20 to 25 minutes. Once the application is done on the entire hair, let the cream set in your hair for 25 minutes. And after that, we have to blow dry our hair. To blow dry in the position as you see in the video, because we want to keep the hair straight. Next, blow dry from upwards, remember that. And when the hair has been 100% dry, we are ready to go to the next step. Now we need a professional ceramics plate iron to straighten the hair, and set the iron to the highest temperature. For straightening, we have to section our hair again like we did before. Straightening is very important because all results will vary on your straightening. Now take small sections and start straightening your hair. We have to straighten each section 3 to 4 times, nice and slowly, because this helps the keratin enter deep into your cuticles, and keratin will actually start working. Maybe you are noticing the smoke. This is an indication that we are doing it right. Give the maximum time on straightening, because all results are dependent on this step, or keratin once the straightening is done. We are free. Our keratin is done. Here you see the final results, and they are permanent. Now you have to wash the hair after 48 hours with the keratin shampoo and keratin conditioner, which is easily available everywhere. So here you can see we are giving a wash after 48 hours to show you guys the final results after wash too. So first, we will shampoo hair with keratin, then we will use the conditioner and apply it to the length only. Then, leaving it for 1 to 2 minutes only and washing off with water. Lastly, we are applying keratin mask, and we are going to leave this for 15 minutes only and rinse away with plain water. Now we are blow drying our hair just to show you guys the results. This is a blow dry with cool mode. And you can see, the hair has become so straight and silky. This treatment is just so amazing, and it stops hair fall and hair breakage. Also, it repairs your hair. The result stays for the next 5 to 6 months, and mainly, it repairs our hair, and it's really good for our hair growth. So I recommend this. Guys, Like the video to support me, and I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.